What is good, y'all? It's Boy J back with another quick video. Actually, a two-part video. I'm gonna do the overview of another new car, and we're gonna fix some stuff on it that came a little jacked up. So it's a S550 GT, 2017. It's actually the premium, so that's dope. The condition was actually pretty good. I was pleasantly surprised that the condition was as good as it was for the price I got it for. I was expecting more stuff to be jacked up, or for there just to be something major wrong with it. But nah, it actually made out okay. So of course, big screen, of course 6-speed. We're not doing the autos, at least not for this anyway. But yeah, pretty good condition. That steering wheel needs to be cleaned really badly. I'm gonna work on that before I get it rented. Leather's in good condition, front and back. Ooh. I did better checking this one out than I did the BMW. You know, I guess it's a learning process. You get better every time. But the main things with this that I noticed that were wrong with it off the rip were bumper clips are broken, so this isn't fastened, and it's actually like that on both sides. I guess y'all Mustang guys probably already know that this is a common thing with those breaking. What else was wrong with it? Oh yeah, this shock on this side is blown because it has coilovers on it. Yeah, so just I got one blown coilover here. I think that one over there on the passenger side is leaking. The rears are fine. It's got a GT 350 intake and throttle body and a flex fuel kit and I think a tune. It actually sounds like it has a cam. I don't know if it actually does. The dude who I bought it from really didn't know much about the car. He just drove it. But yeah, that's the Mustang. Black on black, of course. You know how I do. I honestly was hoping for a different color, but it is what it is. I like them black, so. Got the rear louvers. I don't know if I'm gonna keep those on. I might take those off since it's gonna be a rental. And we're trying to keep it as visible as possible. This rear wing here will probably be for sale if anybody is interested, because I picked up a I'll upload a picture, but a different wing type right here. I'll probably install that today. Picked up some used coilovers. I'm just gonna do the fronts today. Maybe the rears if I have time. What else? And the rear speed sensor on the passenger. Oh no, it's the driver's side rear speed sensor. So those are gonna get swapped out today also. And this kit here is supposed to be for the bumper, and hopefully it works out so I can get that fastened. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm gonna be working on that today, and hopefully get this car good and ready to go, because I honestly kind of like driving it. It's not as fun as the M3, but it's fun in its own right. Like, I never was a Mustang guy before, even though I've had two. I had a 04 back in the day and a, I think 09 that I had for a little bit. But yeah, I see the appeal. I understand why they call it a crowd killer too, but it could just be because the suspension on this one is blown and the tires are not a very good brand. I think, what are these, Kumos? Yeah, Kumos, which are like mid-grade, and then some Goodyears back here. Plenty of tread, so I will not be replacing these anytime soon. I'm gonna upload some more photos so y'all can get like a real good overview of the car, because right now it's dirty as hell and shit. So yeah, man, we're gonna knock this out and get this taken care of so I can get it on the road and get it rented. So I wanted to clear this up because somebody had asked me. They were like what's the end game was for the Turo stuff. So like, I know a lot of people do Turo, but I kind of don't how do I say it? So most people look at Turo like a side hustle, and I'm not shitting on anybody, but I don't want to say that we're the same, because I look at it more like a stepping stone. Like, I'm a car enthusiast, man. Like, track days, car shows, car meets. I mean, shit, being underneath them, like, I enjoy it. So Turo for me is more of a way to get to where I want to be. Like, I want to have a building out here where I rent out vehicles to people, you know, and I just have something for everybody, from entry sports cars to high level exotics. So that's the goal. And then kind of reconnecting and kind of sharing the passion, you know, is something I really enjoy. Like, I'm gonna show y'all this message that somebody sent me about renting the Porsche, and when I saw it, it was almost so touching. I thought it was a scam, but the lady turned out to be really cool. I met her son, it worked out, and I'll probably take him out to a track day with me. So it's stuff like that, man. Like, when I'm all good and done, like, I want to be plugged in with high schools and helping kids celebrate the graduations or whatever, you know. So that's the goal. In case y'all were wondering, like, why I keep stacking these cars up, got an end game. But yeah, that's it for the Mustang. Though this will probably head into the second part of the video when we do the install.
track today.